You know, life tickles me. I was looking it up. You take 7 billion people. Well, let's take the United States, for example. You take 300 million of us. We all go to school, right? If you're that age group. I was reading online, the average person, the average Joe, the average Jane will only make about $40,000 a year through their entire life, on average. So, people's breaking their necks to get all this education for a better future, to make that executive salary $100,000 a year. For the average person, that will never happen. Never. But the average person, I think it's 42,000. The average person, this is take United States, the average person, the entire life will earn an average of about 40 to 42,000 a year. Regardless, keyword, regardless of how much education they got. Ain't that and so it's almost like saying, why go to school? I mean, it's okay to go to school, high school, but why get all that education? I'll give you an example. My aunt, my mom will back me up on this, my aunt aced high school. I think she graduated in 1953. She aced high school. What good did it do her? She only worked one job. I think I'm trying to remember which. It was a drugstore. I think my mom. Me and my mom was talking after she passed away. All that education, all that book smart. What good did it do her? I'm trying to think where she worked. I want to say Walgreens. I don't think it was there. I'll have to ask my mom again. But she worked there for a short time, and she never worked again in her entire life. I guess the ego in high school kicks in. The ego. But I was thinking about that. It's kind of sad when you think of it. All that education didn't do her a bit of good. I forget how long she worked. Mom said she didn't work that long. I forget why she went to work. Well, that's when I was a kid. But she was book smart. Didn't have much common sense, but she was real book smart. And it's sad, isn't it?